I hereby welcome everyone to the inaugural Left Lane Fast Growth Summit. Let's give it up. Let's get a little bit of energy in the room.
Left Lane wants to invite you to become part of our community of successful and exciting founders and executives from across the world.
What you realize when you start a business and you have very little money is you have to do a lot with a little.
When you think about targeting an audience, I've never been a big fan of trying to create that profile and put it in a box.
Everyone, thank you so much for your contributions. The attendees, the panelists, it was excellent.